Okay, so let's see what's in this package here. I've blanked out the name of the sender. Well, it certainly isn't a new item. This is what showed up. There's the cut line. See if we can, yeah. Okay. There's the date code. Let me turn out the lights so we can see the sorry about that. There's a pretty hefty glare in there. Oh, there we go. Let's turn out the... Oh, won't do that. There we are. See if we can see it. Yeah, it's flashing, which is an indication that the this has fed 999 times and is coming around again. And it's pretty clear that this probably came off from a dead boiler. There's the feeder works. I actually put water through it to see whether indeed was passing water. A lot of times it'll try to feed and the only thing that's happening is the solenoid is opening up, but there's no water passing through. But this valve does pass water. So apparently it did feed the water that it's flashing there, almost over 12,000 gallons. Excuse me, 1,200 gallons. And that is an indication that this was a used item, no question. So, see how it goes.